Let's get started. First, we need to enter the Windows recovery environment. To do this, turn off your computer using the power button. Turn it back on as soon as it starts, turn it off again. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th startup, Windows will automatically take you to a screen that says, "Your PC did not start correctly." Click on Advanced Options. Method 1. Click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Startup Repair. If you don't see Startup Repair, click on See Recovery Options. Windows will now diagnose your PC. Wait for the process to complete and see if the issue is fixed. Method 2. If the issue is still there, go back to Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. System Restore. If you have restore points available, click Next. Select a restore point. Restore your system. This can fix the problem. If you don't have any restore points, go back and continue to the next method. Method 3. Go back again to Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Command prompt. Now type the following command: sfc//scano. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. After that, type chkdsk/c/f/r. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to fully complete. This may take several minutes. Once everything is done, close the command prompt. Click on Continue to Windows. Your system should now boot normally and the BSOD error should be fixed.